Hello there, I'm Mario Toledo and this is my aircraft runner sound design demo. I'm always looking for challenges to showcase my sound design and implementation skills, and I found this runner which is perfect to show my passion for sound design. I believe that instead of creating sound for a full prototype, it's better to focus each demo on smaller, more technical exercises. This approach allows me to present clear examples, rather than a full game demo packed with too much material to analyze. Let's get started! As a foley enthusiast, I was really excited to try out my new H1 XLR. I chose to use two piezoelectric microphones because I want to capture sound from solid textures, in this case metallic surfaces, which are brighter alongside plastic ones, which have a more muted character. This vacuum cleaner has something special. It reminds me of those classic Hoover sounds in sci-fi movies. I decided to process the full samples to avoid losing any potential details in the sound textures. Composer's Desktop project has become an essential part of my workflow. Not every stock effect or plugin gives you the ability to apply hundreds of filters and reshape the harmonic order in a single pass. When it comes to mixing, I use Reaper and my trusted arsenal. And well, the implementation in Wise required me to try several alternatives to get the engine sound working properly, making sure the loop was seamless and that it played correctly both at the start and after restarting when crashing. Now, the aircraft pivots also deserve their own sound. In this case, it all started by recording this piece of styrofoam. I processed it in a similar way using Composer's Desktop project and mixed it in Reaper. The implementation here was much simpler. The explosion sound was created in a unique way. It's a pink noise sample that I partially corrupted at hexadecimal level, then transformed its harmonic using Composer's Desktop project. I used 3 layers of this sound to make it more complex and rich to the ear, and I added a kick to emphasize the impact.
The goods just landed. Don't fall behind.
The goods just landed. Don't fall behind. Quick, don't miss this drop.
I noticed that every time the aircraft passed through the small tunnel, it would practically cut right through the camera. I could not ignore the fact that the audio listener was positioned here, so I took the opportunity to simulate sound occlusion. Considering that the aircraft moves within a hull, I implemented another real-time parameter control to control the dry wet mix. Every time we get closer to a wall, the sound should become drier. The last details I added were the sound of fire coming out of the turbines and the wind. Although I did not use Wise Premium plugin, I think I was able to create something similar using an LFO. Since the speed remains constant once the game starts, it only requires a simple adjustment to the wind's envelope. Alright, that is for me. Now it's your turn to try the demo and fly for a while. Hope you enjoy it!